Good evening guys. Today it's full moon. So trinay kong videohan ang full moon ngayon. And then I try to zoom so makita natin kung gaano kaganda ang full moon. So watch this guys.